Good morning, Hampton Academy Sharks.
I'm Xavier.
And I'm Nathan.
Today is Friday, June 3rd, 2022.
Today's a B-Day.
Today we are featuring a segment on the Quebec trip,
a PSA,
and a segment on organizing a binder for next year.
Here is word from Mrs. Reno. There will be chorus practice on Monday, June 6th, after school for 7th and 8th graders. There will be chorus practice on Tuesday, June 7th, after school for 6th graders.
Track athletes should bring in their jerseys ASAP. Coach Thompson will be in the lobby in the mornings next week to collect them.
All library books must be returned by Friday, June 10th. Please see Mrs. Saunders if you have any questions.
Lunch today will be meatball sub, veggies, fruit, and milk.
Sixth graders, you still have time to enter in your books for the Bikes for Books raffle.
The entry form is on the library website. The drawing will take place on Thursday, June 16th during 6th grade lunch.
The Viking Days event at Tuck Museum is tomorrow, June 4th, from 11 to 4. The admission is free. There will be authentic demonstrations of weapon and combat, demonstrations of tool making, food, and clothing, as well as daily life.
Next week, the 6th grade students will go on their field trip to Hammock Castle in Gloucester, Massachusetts. This will be a culminating event for their medieval unit. They will explore the castle.
John Hagar Hampton Jr. built his medieval-style castle in 1929 to serve both as home and as a backdrop for collections of Roman, medieval, and Renaissance artifacts. 6th Academy will go on Monday, and 6th Hampton will go on Tuesday.
Next week, band and chorus students will perform their spring concerts. Band will be on Wednesday, June 8th, and chorus will be on Thursday, June 9th. Both concerts will be in the auditorium.
We put together a video for incoming 6th grade students. It's about organizing your binder. Take a look.
A great option is a 5-star zipper binder. They sell them at Target. They have a zipper and a handle on top. There's a separate pouch on this binder that you can put a tablet in and provide some protection. A 5-star expanding file is great for organizing your papers. It has a durable strap for carrying. You may want to buy some notebooks for each subject in school. Of course, you'll need pens, pencils, and a highlighter or two. Having a glue stick and scissors will also be very helpful. Organizing your binder is very important in middle school. Organization keeps you very successful.
Congratulations to all those who participated in the Seacoast League Track Championship. Great effort and team spirit displayed by all. Congratulations to the boys team who are 2022 league champions. Take a look at this interview that Seamus did with a couple of participants.
Good morning, Hampton Academy Sharks. I'm here with Braden and Nathan, who were both in the Seacoast Meet of Champs. So, Braden, when was this?
The championship meet took place June 1st, yesterday, Wednesday.
Okay, how did you do?
I think I did pretty good. I'm going to states to do the 4x1.
And Nathan,
What were the events that you participated in?
I did the 4x2 relay, and we broke the school record. And I did the 400, and I'm going to states in both those.
Okay. How did the team do as a whole, do you think?
The team did really well. We have a lot of people going to states. We have hurdlers going to states. We have me as the 400. We have some field events who won going to states. And the boys won the 2022 largest school overall championship.
All right. That sounds cool. Thank you guys for being on Shark News.
Thank you.
Our public service announcement today is STEM by Moxie Clifford.
Last weekend, 8th grade students and staff traveled to Quebec City. They had a great time exploring the city. Lucy got to interview a couple of students. Check out the interview and pictures from the trip.
Good morning, Hampton Academy Sharks. Today I'm here with Harvey and Sean. So Harvey, what was your favorite part about the trip?
Being in the same room as my friends and the breakfasts.
Cool. And Sean, what was your favorite part about the trip?
My favorite part was walking around and seeing around the town and the city, and the food was really good too.
Cool. Thank you guys so much for being on Shark News.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Hampton Academy Sharks. Now I'm here with Mava and Elizabeth. So Mava, tell me about the Basilica.
The Basilica was really pretty. It had a lot of cool architecture, and there were a lot of big stained glass windows. It also had two big copper doors that looked like they took a long time to make. And it also had a lot of candles in there, so it smelled really nice.
And what was the feeling when you walked into this church?
The Basilica is known as the Healing Church, and people with like limps and stuff go there to be healed. And it was really comforting in there.
Cool. And Elizabeth, what was our last stop in Quebec?
Our last stop in Quebec was Montmorency Falls.
And how did we view these falls?
Because the falls were 90 meters tall or 270 feet, we drove up and walked across a bridge that went over the falls to view them.
Cool. Thank you guys so much for being on Shark News.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Le temps qu'on a pris pour dire je t'aime, c'est le seul qui reste au bout de nos jours. Les vœux que l'on fait, les fleurs que l'on sème, chacun les récolte en soi-même. Au beau jardin du temps qui court, gens du pays, c'est votre tour de vous laisser parler d'amour. Gens du pays, c'est votre tour de vous laisser parler d'amour. Le temps de s'aimer, le jour de le dire, font comme la neige au doigt du printemps. Fait-on de nos joies, fait-on de nos rires, ces yeux où nos regards se mirent. c'est demain que j'avais 20 ans. Gens du pays, c'est votre tour de vous laisser parler d'amour. Gens du pays, c'est votre tour de vous laisser parler d'amour. Le ruisseau des jours aujourd'hui s'arrête et forme un étang où chacun peut voir comme en un miroir l'amour qu'il reflète pour ces cœurs à qui je souhaite le temps de vivre nos espoirs. Gens du pays, c'est votre tour de vous laisser parler d'amour. Gens du pays, c'est votre tour de vous laisser parler d'amour. Gens du pays, c'est votre tour de vous laisser parler d'amour. Gens du pays, c'est votre tour de vous laisser parler d'amour.
And now for the weather. Today it will rain. There will be a high temperature of 57 degrees. Saturday there will be sunshine and cloud mix. High temperature will be about 70 degrees. On Sunday it will be mostly sunny. High temperature will be 71 degrees.
We have one weather photo this week. It was sent in by Mrs. McNichol. The title is My Garden is Coming to Life. You can send your Shark News weather photos into at sharknews@sunited.org.
And remember, remain sunny side up.
Celebrating their birthdays today is Ryan Bowman. Celebrating on Saturday are Kyla Roy, Madison Bowley, and Caroline Charwat.
Celebrating on Sunday is Shark News' own Liam McIntosh. Happy birthday, Kyla, Maddie, Caroline, and Liam.
Bicycling is quite a useful activity. In the hustle and bustle of today's world, bicycling allows us to exercise our muscles, cut back on fuel consumption, as is quite a popular alternative to driving a car, and feel the wind in our hair. Really, there's nothing quite like the exhilaration of riding a bicycle. World Bicycle Day acknowledges this and the durability and longevity of the bicycle. Providing a simple and sustainable means of transportation, bicycling is rejuvenating for our physical and mental health, and good for the economy and the environment. So celebrate World Bicycle Day. Go out there and ride a bike.
Our fact of the day is a question for you. How many seats do you think the longest tandem bike ever had?
Our thought of the day is from Mark Cavendish. He is a British professional cyclist. To me, it doesn't matter whether it's raining or the sun is shining or whatever. As long as I'm riding a bike, I know I'm the luckiest guy in the world. Mark Cavendish, who is a British professional cyclist.
Hey, Victor.
Yeah.
Why couldn't the bike stand?
I don't know.
'Cause it was too tired.
Okay, we're good. Let's just place it together.
The answer to our fact of the day question is
the most seats ever created on a tandem bike are 35.
Remember, before you speak,
text,
chat,
or post,
ask yourself,
is it kind?
Is it true?
And is it necessary?
And remember the Academy way.
Manage yourself,
act responsibly,
and respect yourself and others.
Go out there and make it a great day.